Welcome to use. Network is connecting. Connection succeed.
Hello friends, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Michael, and of course today I want to briefly show you about the functionality of these cameras that I have been showing you. So we have already installed this camera for the client. Remember, we can install this camera on your phone before even bringing this camera to your premises or to your home. So I've already installed this camera, one of them, and I'm actually going to be showing you the functionalities of this camera. This is the camera that I have already connected on this phone. And remember, on this phone, we can put two cameras on this one phone. So now I'm going to be showing you how this camera actually works and why you should actually install this camera in your premises. It can be your business or any other place where you feel you are insecure, or even if it is your home. So remember, this camera doesn't require you to have Wi-Fi. We just insert a SIM card and you can control it on your phone. Even if you are in America, you are in UK, you are in the UAE, you are in Dubai, Qatar, Abu Dhabi, Saudi Arabia, everywhere, you can install this camera in your business or your home, and you keep monitoring what happens in your business. So these are the few functions that this camera actually has. So what you're seeing here, there are some buttons, and these are the ones that makes the camera actually rotate. So if you watch carefully, you can see that that camera is rotating. When I press there, when I press anywhere, the camera keeps rotating, as you can see. So this is one of the best function it has, because you can put human detection and it can keep rotating and facing where an individual escapes from. Then secondly, it has a two-way communication. So I want to be speaking and you'll be hearing my voice coming from the camera. So when I speak from here, for example, I say hello, hello, you can see actually my voice is in the camera. So it is two-way. Even if someone is nearby the camera and tries to speak to me, I can also hear on my phone. So if you install this camera in your business or at home, you actually don't need to make a call to talk with your people who are at home. So then thirdly, this camera has an alarm system that can detect the motion or human. So if we go to the settings here and we go to alarm detection, so we shall set an alarm. So this simply means if the camera detects a human being, it will make an alarm, or if it detects something moving, it will actually make an alarm. So you can see I've not pressed anywhere, but the camera is sensing something and it is rotating. So if we put on human detection, for example, it's where it is. So if I face this camera on myself, it will actually be able to make an alarm. So listen carefully and see what will actually happen. So now the camera is not facing at me, so it's not making an alarm. But if I change the position, you see the camera has now looked at me. It has just started making an alarm. So if I keep rotating my hand here, it will actually keep on rotating, looking for me. So here, this option is for the memory card. You can see the things that happened when you were not around. So that's the alarm system, and there are very many other functionalities. So you get yourself one of these cameras and get your home actually secure. There are a lot of other functionalities. You can share your details to someone and you control this camera together. Remember, you just insert a SIM card and a memory card for this camera to work very well and store your records. So everything is now possible and available. So feel free to always contact me in case you need installation. Remember, we give free installation to each and every customer who manages to buy this camera. As I told you, one of the most of the unique thing about this camera is that even if you buy it and you are in a far place, we can send this camera to you after installing it on your phone. Yes, you will start seeing the camera before receiving it. So we shall set everything on your phone and we send this camera. You will only do one part of giving it power when it reaches your destination. So that's how easy the process is. And one more other thing about this camera, it is waterproof, so you can put it even outside in the compound, or you can install it in your farm or anywhere. So that's one of the most important thing about this camera. And more so, if you buy many cameras, we shall also give you a discount. And remember, you can control 4 cameras on one application, so you can install more than one camera on one phone. It is easy to use, no need of Wi-Fi. And remember, we also have the solar version, and the solar version comes with its own solar panel, so you don't need anything. It's all in one box. There is a solar panel and everything you need to set up your system. So for the two-way communication, yeah, even there is no distance limit. Even if you are abroad, you can still use this camera to monitor your farm, your business, or your home while you are at the comfort of your destination. As long as you insert a SIM card and a memory card, and power is available, you'll be able to use your camera 24/7. It has an automatic motion detection, as I told you, and the picture is very, very nice. For those people who want to use this camera as a security light, remember, it can also work as a security light because it has a very bright light. When it is at night, you can switch it off or switch it on. You can do whatever you want on this camera as long as you have control of this camera on your phone. So you can increase the volume, reduce the volume, and everything is just on the camera. Just you can control this remotely using your phone. Thank you so much and have a nice time. Bye bye.